상내 조식 되우신 무지 경찰세노 해 골골지 경찰세노 지유당 골골 춘지 경찰세노 눈배가 버쳐서는 같아서 푸트니스 조식 푸트니스 하는 이 푸트니스 배 조식 다르니까 버쳐서는 야어 버티스팅네 되는 같은 독치스 포켓나 욕배가 스탄지기 잠식팀이라 스탄지기 잠식했나 아다시겠다 가짜잖아 해 맞도 못 맞다는데 전도발로 맞다 스탄이 잠시는 되는 해 이삼 조식이나 되니도 요 버라자 때가도 죽스 되니 깜빡실 좀 아둑체세노 오야 되는 라다스 English mixing is okay so now we will start meditation and as I explained in the last live stream the meditation that we are going to be doing is not vipassana it's actually called shamatha shamatha in at least in Vajrayana tradition and Mahayana tradition shamatha comes before vipassana so shamatha means calm abiding to abide in calmness to calm your mind. So right now our minds are quite disturbed, always thinking about negative emotions, etc. So we need to calm our mind. And the first step is shamatha, first meditation. So anyway, it's very simple. Sit on a small cushion. Yeah, should be hard, it shouldn't be soft. A small cushion, maybe like a couple of inches, high, and just sit on it. And it will help you keep your back straight, which is very crucial, which is very important. Yeah. After that, you sit in Vajrasana or what we call Padmasana, cross-legged in the lotus position. In the lotus position, in the Buddhist tradition, we put the left first, and then we put the right on top. So, Ladas in Ladaki. Oh, matantene nampe luxuri nankua guma yunma porte tene yunme kato atene yaspa. So first we put the left, then on top of that we put the right. The right always dominates the left. So okay, then this thing back straight. Oh, our head should be slightly tilted. Yeah, not too much, slightly tilted. Slightly tilted, so that the balance rests nicely on our neck. Otherwise, if your head is too straight, it'll go backwards. Such is the way our heads are, made. Nobody makes our head, but the way our heads are, so and then keep your shoulder open. Your lungs should be open so that you can breathe easily, breathe freely. Or the shoulder rest. I'm taking off my socks because so your legs slip if you have socks. So I took my socks off and then mikpo eyes. Mikpo it's a big iso yostaches patchy pitches purami pitches much no benatene talbanang machar wachar hale waki mina charcheseno then putsum stana ingidiono so some was patchy pitches pitches now stagos pale. Eyes should be half shut, not fully open because you'll get distracted, and not fully shut because then you won't be able to see, and also because you might fall asleep. Yeah, and your gaze should just follow, downwards. Get like a small bindu like this. Could be anything, but something that you can focus your mind on. Something small, something not very shiny, and just put it like maybe a couple of feet in front of you. Yaju, hands right on top of left. You make a toyaspa in your lap. Yeah, relax. And your mouth slightly open, not shut, not open. Yeah, yeah, slightly open. What do you say? Ajar. That's the word, no? Ajar. Slightly open. So that you can breathe through your mouth also. So that it doesn't put undue stress on your nose. So the naturally. Tongue, the tip of the tongue, should touch behind the upper teeth, just slightly. Don't drill a hole. So back straight, right on top of left, in your lap, gaze down, yeah, on the bindu, mind concentrated on the bindu through your gaze. Okay, your eyes are just a medium through the medium of your gaze, through the medium of your eyes, you gaze at the bindu in front of you. Migir gutte, semba wo, dunbekat kane, deushinbu chun chunbeka, burchasino. So just concentrate on that. No need to think of anything, no need to analyze anything. Sammamatang, sembazakan bachi no, sambazakan kanyom, chichuruk, don't analyze. This is not analytical meditation. This is not like a meditation where you analyze the origin of your thoughts, etc. No, that comes later. Isane, stachis mane chamike. Just to calm the hell out of yourself, yeah? Oh yeah, and this is the primary meditation. That's why I'm able to teach on live stream, to the public. Otherwise, most of the meditations are quite restricted. Okay, yeah, just 10 minutes. After that, we'll take a short break, and then we again do 10 minutes, yeah? So I've started the timer. Countdown. It's only 10 minutes, though it'll feel longer. And I will guide as we meditate, yeah? Yeah, you tsangma. Shkit bakatang, just jukes. It won't take more than a few seconds for your mind to start wandering. Something that might have happened, something that's happening in your life right now, or something that will happen in the future, what might be, etc. So we don't dwell on either of the 3 times, past, present, and future. We remain, our mind remains on the bindu. Yeah? In the present moment, we're not thinking of anything, we're just being here. We are resting our mind through our gaze on the small bindu in front of us. We're not thinking of anything at all. As soon as your mind gets distracted by thought, stop it, cut the thread, and bring the mind back. Keep doing it. Eventually, your mind will wander less, and the calmness will be longer. And your thoughts will dissipate, even post-meditation. Yeah, jo. Seminar nam sto korma chuke. Your body should be absolutely still. Can't even flinch. Don't move a muscle, steady as a mountain. Even the shape of our body right now is like a mountain. The stability of a mountain runs from the crown of our head to our most bottom part. Steady. Your legs in Vajra position, lotus position, locked, stable, steady. Grounded, immovable, like a mountain. Steady base, steady structure. Your mind will not be disturbed by your thoughts. Such is your stability. As soon as you get distracted, bring your mind back. Just look at the bindu. Don't think of anything. Don't think of your partner. Don't think of your parents. Don't think of your children. Don't think of your pets. Nothing. Just gaze. Rest your mind through your gaze onto the bindu. That's it. Breathe freely. Back straight, shoulders open so your lungs can breathe freely. Your rib cage is not restricted. Try not even to blink if you can. It'll take some practice, but eventually you'll be able to hold your gaze without blinking for hours and hours. But if you must blink, you can blink. Sembotina migir gütte. Dövüşün bir gazeteciz manicham mikah. 라무식 하고치스 곰치스 자비가스포 고메가 하고치스 자비라모 practice chis jangchis gomchis zabigaspo mienche chamikya simba ekdam chanole kani kar chano business beni thatugu mitse zumo changmika chano ekdam loska 내가 daksa te samba tangchi tusmano te samba tangchi zipe nga tante gantangi shi sabjinamne gantangi shi sangi sute no 다다서 이간장 미스보 추추치스 놓고 대나네 미는 게 쉬운 미켜 미는 게 쉽지 않은 거고 미는 게 쉽지 않은 거고 매기식 스쿨 때 매기 통치스 뭐 미는 게 쉬운 거라 말하고 짱 말하고 때는 좀 제가 다슴 감성적으로 처음에 줘서 돼 초박은 어제서 구조 뭐좀 어떤 서 냠보 독서 simba minda nam to kono ekdam nam sto chot your mind will start wandering immediately. It doesn't take more than 5-10 seconds. It's like a wild dog, like a mustang. You need to break it, you need to tame it with the rope of your consciousness, of your mindfulness. Be aware of your thoughts, escaping your concentration, escaping your gaze, escaping your mindfulness. Bring your thoughts back. Command it. Our thoughts have made us their slaves. They lead us to do many harmful things. Our thoughts disturb our mind. They harm us mentally, emotionally, physically. We have to tame that wild animal, that wild dog, that wild horse, that mustang, that beast. Tame it with the rope of your mindfulness. Tame it. Tie it through your gaze onto the small bindu in front of you. Just rest. I'm speaking because I'm guiding. Otherwise, I shouldn't speak. You just have to listen, follow my advice, my instructions, and meditate. Simba pal just. You know, when you enter the Chimani Jang, Mika. It's a big, you know, want to guide just in. Loves then. we are sad, we are angry, we are depressed, we are anxious. Why? Because of our thoughts, because of our emotions, because of all the defilements that reside within our mind. But that's also an illusion. Who has ever seen a thought? Who has ever grasped, held a thought, heard a thought, or an emotion? It's an illusion. You have to break that illusion. Okay, that's 10 minutes, minute song. We just rest for a few seconds, maybe like 1 minute, then we will do 10 more minutes. Yeah, Joe. Rub your palms like this, make it warm, and then just touch your eyes. In case your eyes feel fatigued, if you try not to blink for a long time, your eyes will get fatigued if you're not used to it. So this will relax your eyes. Minute kaşık yan, then we will hatta oxygen, loss meditation yan. Yanlış minute çüçün. Now, feel it. It's gone. Feel this openness. Feel this clarity. Feel this release. You can actually feel it physically. Your chest, this portion, this area. Literally you can feel it. Open. More space. Less disturbed. As if you have just vacuumed or broomed, dusted a whole house, It's very calm. Like a serene lake. That's how it feels. Not turbulent. Not turbulent because of thoughts and emotions. Like a serene lake. Serenity. Tranquility. That's how it feels. Feel it. You can almost feel the breeze. Even if you try to think of something, you can't. Your mind is that calm. Okay, now again 10 more minutes. 10 minutes chu. Hey. Yeah. 10 more minutes, then authentic. Okay. Yeah, lots of jokes. Again resume. Kampa on sekshkyon, yeah, kampa on shkum. Lotus position in a duk. Oh yeah. Then it duk mayan na yang. Shedichen kampa skill to talaga dozo. Okay, stretch your legs and again. If you can sit in Vajra position, if you can't, just sit normally. If you have hip or knee problems, you can sit on a chair. Doesn't matter. The main thing is like you have to keep your back straight, chest open, head slightly tilted forwards, gaze looking at that bindu, roughly 2 feet in front of you, on the floor or on the table. And we gaze. Eyes half shut. Just relaxed. Maybe you can hear something or someone through the window, through the open door, because maybe where you are it's quite hot. Ignore them. Don't get your mind distracted by those sounds. Ignore the external sounds and the internal sounds. The external sounds and disturbances of humans, animals, cars, whatever, and internal disturbances, thoughts, emotions, negativity, defilements. The second session will be easier because you have warmed up with the first session. It will be easier to focus your mind through your gaze onto the bindu. Just look at it. Semina samba ekdam corona. मन में जो सोच विचार उनको आने में कोई देर नहीं लगती, लेकिन हमने क्या करना है, दृष्टि के जरिए अपने मन को सामने रखे हुए बिंदु के ऊपर स्थिर रखना है। बस मन में जितने भी सोच आते हैं, विचार आते हैं, उन सबको हमने रोकना है, उस धारा को हमने काटना है। ना कल के बारे में सोचना है, ना आज के बारे में सोचना है, ना कल होने वाले के बारे में सोचना है। केवल मन को दृष्टि के जरिए सामने रखे हुए बिंदु के ऊपर केंद्रित करना है। इसको कहते हैं क्षमता। सोच विचार, दुख दर्द सब अपने आप मिट जाएगा। अपने शरीर को एक पहाड़, एक बड़े से पर्वत की तरह स्थिर रखना है, मजबूत रखना है। हमारा नींव जो है, हमारा नींव फाउंडेशन, वो बहुत ही मजबूत है, क्योंकि हम वज्रासन में हैं। पद्मासन या वज्रासन, जो भी आप कहना चाहेंगे, हम उसमें हैं। तो हमारा शरीर जो है वो बिल्कुल वज्र की तरह, एक पर्वत की तरह मजबूत, स्थिर और स्थायी है। Don't let your mind get distracted. Second session will be easier. We can already feel peace, tranquility, serenity in our hearts, in our minds, in each and every cell in our body. Everything is relaxed right now. Nothing is moving, nothing is disturbed. Your whole body is totally relaxed, still. Even your mind is totally still as much as you can. Onto the bindu in front of you, through your gaze. That's it. That's it. You're depressed? Do this. This meditation. You're anxious? Do this meditation. You have lack of concentration? Do this meditation. You have trouble sleeping? Do this meditation. You're sad? Do this meditation. because you're not used to sitting, not used to concentrating, neither your body nor your mind. You'll be itching to get up and move and do something else. Resist it. Where is your willpower? Use it. Command your body, command your mind. Disciplined. Not like a stray animal. Disciplined. It's only 10 minutes in total, yet it feels like 1 hour. Why? Because we're not used to it. Once we get used to it, once we start enjoying it, you will want to prolong it. 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Okay, done. 10 minutes. Minute 2. So, that's it. Thank you for everyone for watching, for joining me for this live stream. I'm present in Ladakh. Live stream Tene jukpega tsangmala hoshir chos yuin tserkamo pomacho ladaksa jukse yudo gyagara jukse yudo kara jukse yud nang tserkamo pomacho digano tene hoshir chosat izumur sopo migo jisipe hoshir chosat tene ngerang kara jukse yud nang ladaksa yudo gyagara yudo chikele yudo kara jukse yud nang hale nami nang I'm with you in spirit manyira unyampu nami ni yud samasat hele Inyam molam ladas pori rinya punya molam yutta chijin ko ladas ben pasan sabik khudgars selfie tek char khale tempo jono ko semshin thangma sambatang gos tulku inkan chusta ta semshin sangma shkit boyong shi is molam tabadle ta ina changma la chik temshi yomer xamjing ala ladas pa cerka yon ladas pa zistanga chik yanjimana te jan tangin ruchi se tezu shik dotpa yon kan bo ma changme pe yomer khle sombasang changma Tsering Junia, Sama Smolamut, Izumur Sopo Gosman Kanchachis, Kamsakama Teladas in the Gosman Kanchachis, then it's someone you put to Shapale, then it's someone you boy Gayons, the meditation chose, the the Yanawana Kampa Yons, the Male, and Matsosla. Then skip putting in chess in Nok, down Mr. Pine, he's Zumong, Mr. Pine, Kuguron, Cham, Ganadan Sextundus, Jogoshisikare. Then it's somewhat hoshir chos story lamni yongzani yongkani tan juju hoshir chos story padmacho gari shulkan bo gari ze kulia shulzer hele tene mai zuk ma masti mang pu change na kuchu ko jatan zimu mane matan zimu mane tangjama no gyara dukan indo mane kara dukan inna khas se gyara dukan te kriadan makan malite woni bu zimu mane tangjama no company pingstan chijin kara chenle ta kampa suma tan kana yong mano juju tamjingena zo pagum tene gyoksala dasa yongchese 정말 라다스 단직스텐 강폴라 소수 율라처로 발레 율전마군에는 트레인 코랑 조스테 번도바스처로 발레 마탄 지시지소 람미 베서트는 원래 당이 장미죠 보존 스페라 먹고 빙체라 야주더니 정말 두지치 정말 츠링 때문에 도리 직전화 죽전에라 마땅 인스타그램에 가양 죽전 애나운스전 Thursday Thursday 세스바 좋아하는 발레 마탄 직전화 Friday만 봐 Thursday 좀이 timira za nimado minga lo pulbu za pulbu Thursday timira le Thursday nga tan tarik chino shinseli Thursday tarik chin chuk Monday ba tarik dun la Thursday nga tan chikchan tuin sespa chonga in chuk teni toang chuk in chuk le chilo tuskure tuski ko le chakra chilo ya kala chakra tuskure yang tushin chigi tu ro tushin ziru pole vesak de no Tezani zomin tene ngata yang chosik mari chen timira dulmaselin tene ngata zangshoselin he taigun ngera gon sik practice on tene meditation and sik chen so basang next po Thursday chen inna joksa gari bijena pe chosing atan zumin hele tene changmala tsering changmala jule take care tene Господь jalche se rewa yod jule